Want vibrant, tall flowers that make your patio or balcony look like a mini flower show? Gladiolus might be the easiest and most eye-catching plant you can grow in a pot. They do not need a big garden, and the results are stunning. In this video, I will show you exactly how to plant gladiolus bulbs in pots step by step. You will learn what to use, how deep to plant them, and a simple trick to get even more flowers. Why grow gladiolus in pots? Growing gladiolus in pots is a great way to enjoy their beauty without needing a lot of space. They are perfect for balconies, patios, and even sunny windows. You get full control over the soil, drainage, and sunlight. That means fewer problems and better blooms. And if you're just starting out with gardening, this is a great plant to try. The bulbs do most of the work for you. Just give them the right start and you will be enjoying tall, colorful flowers in no time. Before we start, let us get everything ready. You will need gladiolus bulbs, a large pot with drainage holes, good quality potting mix, and a balanced fertilizer. Look for healthy bulbs at your local garden center or order them online from a trusted seller. Make sure your pot is at least 12 inches deep. Gladiolus have long roots and tall stems, so they need room to grow. Once you have all your supplies, we are ready to plant. Most people make one simple mistake when planting gladiolus in pots, and it can ruin the blooms. Keep watching and I will show you how to avoid it coming up next. Step 1. Choose the right pot. Gladiolus need good drainage, so use a container with holes at the bottom. Make sure it is at least 12 inches deep and wide enough to hold a few bulbs with space in between. Step 2. Add potting mix. Use a mix that drains well, not heavy garden soil. Fill the pot about 2/3 full, then mix in a slow-release fertilizer. This gives the bulbs a great head start. Step 3. Place the bulbs. Plant each bulb about 4 inches deep, pointy side up. Leave about 3 inches between each bulb so the flowers do not crowd each other. Step 4. Water in place. Give the pot a good watering after planting, then place it in a sunny spot. Gladiolus love full sun, so the more light they get, the better they will grow. Step 5. Ongoing care. As the plants grow, water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Once the stems get tall, you might need to tie them gently to a stick or support so they do not bend. Feed them every couple of weeks with a liquid fertilizer to keep them blooming strong. Wait until you see how fast these flowers grow once they get going, and do not miss the bonus tip at the end. It can help you get twice the blooms all season long. Do not plant the bulbs too deep or too close together. Both can stop them from blooming. Avoid overwatering. Wet, soggy soil can rot the bulbs, and never use a pot without drainage holes. Always check that your container lets extra water escape. It makes a big difference. Want flowers that last all summer long? Try this easy trick: plant a few bulbs every week or two instead of all at once. This way, your gladiolus will bloom in waves, and you will have color for much longer. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to try growing gladiolus in pots this year. They are easy, beautiful, and full of surprise. If you like this video, tap subscribe for more simple garden tips. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite summer flower?